Hi guys, how are you? This mobile Tecno F4 Pro, and in this mobile FRP bypass problem, first of all you have to connect Wi-Fi hotspot and open backside, and now you have to insert any SIM. This mobile Tecno F4 Pro, you can see insert any SIM in this mobile. So now guys, go back and click emergency call and use two finger emergency information and click on pencil, scroll down, add contact and allow, choose any contact and click on profile contact, profile, and click on three dots, share. Now hold and message and app information, scroll down SMS app and open links. Now scroll down in YouTube, click on YouTube icon, app notification and additional settings, about, trim off YouTube service, accept and next, no thanks. Now guys, you have to search this link frpfile.com, frpfile.com/bypass, and now click go, search it. Now guys, you have to scroll down and download two applications in this website. Download first of all Google Account Manager 8th version and allow and OK. Now download bypass FRP. After that guys, OK, and now you have to click three dots, go in download tabs and install Google Account Manager, install settings and allow from the source, install, do it and click done. Now you have to install bypass FRP 1.0, install and open, click on three dot, browse sign in and OK. Now you have to enter your Gmail. When you enter your Gmail, then click on next. After you enter your password Gmail and now sign in. Signing in completed. Now click on power button, press power button for restart this mobile and swipe up. This mobile will restart automatically. It's working. Do it. If you like my videos, then subscribe my channel for the latest videos. Now get started. Just a second, do it and escape, continue, escape, not now, escape anyway, more and I agree, no thanks, just a second, do it, it's working now. Now choose your country and next, next, next and next. So guys, FRP bypass is removed now. If you like my videos, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest videos. So I am going to next videos now. Be back later. See you and take care.